those trains, 马是神 Oh, Trens Lane. The walls speak in pictures, tattoo the walls, Travessa those trains, explosion of colors, Travessa those trains, 马是神 Oh, 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 Trens Lane. The walls speak in pictures, tattoo the walls, Travessa those trends, explosion of colors.
This one now has new artwork. So they had some, you can see my past videos, you can look at the thumbnails at the end of any of the videos, and then you can see what was here before. But yeah, this is all new. So we're going to be walking down Trens. I think we'll be walking around the entire block and just kind of giving a context of the whole street and area. So stay tuned for that. Pretty cool. Trens. Okay, got a slice of Macau for you. Travessa dos Tréns. So it's a alley with a lot of artwork. A lot of graffiti artists go up and down the street. There's even a festival. So there's a guy that I talked to briefly who lives on that street, and he's not in the video, but he is for a moment. But he was telling me there's actually a festival where they invite artists from all over the world to come in and paint on the street. And there's a lot of new murals all over around the corner. So I'm going to be going around this whole building and showing you all the artwork right in this area. But there's more in other areas around it as well. So it's kind of well known for artists to come in and leave some of their imprint of artwork behind on the walls. And let's just get into it as if you were there yourself. So let's go. Another slice of Macau for you. Okay, so we're going to be capturing all this artwork. There's also some other artwork on this side too. So there was something different. It looks like they've just recently painted all of that right there, and also this alley right there too. So let's go check it all out, see what's all new. Oh, Graffiti 2024, so it's already been there a year. Actually, a lot of times people will park in front of these buildings so you can't really see them. So I think every time I've been here, there's probably been a car that's parked here. This one says Malaysia on it. But yeah, this will be kind of well-known street for artists. Happy day. All kinds of interesting stuff. Princess Polyglot. Okay, so let's check out some of the artwork. So some of this has been here for quite a while. Some of it is new. And it's really rare that it's like no cars are parked illegally in front of it. So I'm still kind of amazed. Let me just kind of check out the detail, because I thought that truck might go in front of it, and then I couldn't see it, you know? Artwork, especially when you get close to it. Really capture the detail of it.
Hello. Really cool. So you can see how big it is too, right? Okay. Don't urinate here. So yeah, I think this part looks kind of new to me. Let's see if we can find the year. Also 2024 as well, so I guess they're both about a year ago. It's 2025 right now. Okay. Then this one is from a Portuguese artist, so he has artwork all over the Portuguese-speaking world and beyond, but he has at least quite a few in Macau. So he has this one, there's one in Taipei Village, there's one at the Portuguese Consulate, there's one at the Portuguese International School, or International Portuguese School. Don't know if it's called international or not. This one has more of this artwork all the way up. Toilet. Toilet? First it looks like it should say toilet, but it says toilet. Clockwork. Looks like a little bit of a cool looking venue in there. Cold coffee. There's more artwork down here, so I guess I should just capture it real quick. But this whole area is known for the artwork on the walls. It's kind of cool. I hadn't really noticed this artwork right here before. It's like it's easy. It's hard to see the camera, I think. Okay. So I think this is the ending of the Trens one. Let's see. Don't know. Hey, David. Hey. All good. So I was just talking to David back there. He lives right on the street, actually. It's his neighborhood. So he was just telling me that this actually has a yearly festival where they bring in artists from all over the world. So maybe we saw that earlier when it said Malaysia. Definitely get people from Korea, because here's one in Korea right here. Anyways, so I guess that's once a year, and I guess there's a coffee shop that we went by and they host the event, so that's good to know as well. Okay, so we have more artwork down this way. This is a different street called Tesoru, but we're just going to go around a little bit and capture more of the artwork. So yeah, that was Train Street, and then this one goes into a black and white Portuguese one. Get the black and white Portuguese style. So we're gonna go. So it goes into a courtyard right here. Just kind of go across real quick. So this will go up towards, ultimately towards Rua de Felicidade and a lot of historical Macau. Like on top, we got more artwork down that way, but our Trens is going to be around the corner here, so we're going to stick to it. Tiles. Actually, this London, these had some of the artwork on around it, but those are actually gone now. but we're going to try to capture some of the other artwork. So you can see this artwork right here all the way down. It's kind of similar to that one that was on that corner there. So we'll go up real quick. Fairfax store. I haven't really seen this. They got Tupac and Motorhead right there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. So yeah, this hotel used to have the artwork in front of it as well, but now it's probably a little soon again. And we're gonna come back around the trains. This is called Sunset Park. Then this used to be the Opium Museum right here. You got some artwork right there too. That one and that one. So yeah, this artwork is new right here as well. Japanese artist Seiji Matsumoto. At Time Joe, at Art Time Joe. So pretty cool. Nice artwork. So this is all new. Bocage Street. We're gonna park right there. Now we're back to Trens. Okay. So there we go. It's Travessa dos Trens.
Tattoo the walls, Travessa dos Trens, explosion of colors, Travessa dos Trens.